Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today we have something really special to unbox and share with you all. It's the Denon AVR-S970H, a fantastic AV receiver known for its impressive features and exceptional audio quality. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the unboxing experience. First, let's unbox and see what's inside. As soon as we open the box, we have the user manual, which is always handy for getting to know the receiver's features and setup process, some accessories, remote control, microphone stand, batteries for the remote control, and finally calibration microphone. So let us see each one of these accessories in detail. As I said before, this is microphone for sound calibration. Actually speaking, this microphone is used for the receiver's room calibration feature, which optimizes the audio output based on your specific room's acoustics. Along with the other paperwork, I even got this from Spotify, which says this device has Spotify Connect built in. This is a user manual, as you already know and I've already mentioned. This is antenna set. This is necessary to receive and transmit Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals, ensuring a stable and reliable wireless connection. Initially, I was wondering what is this. This is basically a microphone stand. So the instructions to assemble this is given on the paper, and it makes very simple and easier to assemble this microphone stand. Underneath, we see Denon receiver beautifully wrapped in plastic to keep it protected during shipping. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, the Denon AVR-S970H itself. Wow! Just look at the sleek and elegant design. The brushed metal finish gives it a premium look that will complement any home theater setup. Moving to the back of the receiver, we can see a wide array of inputs and outputs. Here we have HDMI ports for connecting various devices like gaming consoles. It can be Blu-ray players or some streaming devices. We also have analog audio inputs, Ethernet port for network connectivity, and speaker terminals for connecting your home theater speakers. Before we move further, let's dive into its specifications. This Denon receiver has similar specifications as that of Sony and Onkyo. I have made a separate videos on Sony receiver and Onkyo receiver. If you haven't watched those videos yet, just go and check it out. I have given the links in the description below. Talking about the specifications, as I said earlier, it is similar to that of Sony and Onkyo, but the only difference is Denon can output up to 90 watts per channel, whereas in Sony it is 165 watts per channel. In Onkyo it is 210 watts per channel. Next, let's have a look at this beautiful Denon remote control, which allows you to conveniently navigate through the receiver's various functions and settings. It looks sleek and ergonomic, with all the essential buttons you need to control your audio experience. That wraps up our unboxing video of Denon AVR-S970H. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.